of this is 1/3. So we'll see how accurate our midpoint rule is. We're going to do n equals 4 again. Delta x. Not getting caught up there. Yeah.
Let's say 1 minus 9.
1 minus 0, sorry, it's in the shadow. Here, let me rewrite it.
Shadow blocks everything out if you're sitting anywhere it's not here. Can't see what's here.
Like the guy in our pre-calc class. Remember?
It sounds like
Did I tell you guys he works in the cafeteria? Handling food. And he opens his tics and he would put his hand down his pants during the test. Did you ever see that? Yeah. Yeah.
So these are my node points. Today we started out using these node points and we had either too much area or we had not enough area, right? Where it was above or it was below. And even after we did both, and even when we averaged them out, it still didn't work out very well. But either way, it was too much or too little. In fact, in this case, a lot too much or a lot too little. So what we're going to do instead of using our node points is we're going to use the midway points, or the midpoints. Let's use colors. X of 1 bar is going to be the average between 0 and 1/4. Yes?
So that whole line just means it's the average?
The mean. All right.
Would you advise us to leave space for what's about to happen?
No, it's not going to do like that other crazy.
What's about to happen?
Actually, the biggest space will be this here. So x of 2 bar means that I'm going to find the midpoint between these two. Which is going to be 3/8. So all I do is take 1/4, add it to 1/2. So that's 3/4. And then cut it in half. So that's 3/8. It's the average, right? Would you please generate the next two values?
Those are 2 instead. These are going.
at something like this. These values go here. I love having the colors. Makes it stand out. By the way, how many node points do I have here? And how many here now? 4. So we're at less. So we're now going to use the height of 1/8. F of 1/8, I should say. So we're going to go here for our first area. Notice we're getting a little too much, and we're missing some.
Thank you.
And how many areas do I have? I have 4 areas in this case. This is base of 1, base of 2, base of 3, base of 4. Remember, we're trying to get 1/3. That's the actual answer, which we proved earlier.
So they do the same thing, right? You just pull the 1/4 out and add all those up, right?
If I add them up, that's going to give me the total.
Wait.
So what's that, 84?
50.
84?
Yeah.
No, not this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Because you cancel out the.
Yeah, you cancel the 4 with the 8.
Yes, they cancel, that's right. 60. Yeah. Let's see how close this is. What is 21 divided by 64?
0.328.
0.328. So it's a lot closer than the upper or the lower, right? Now, it's going to get even closer the higher n goes. So we only did n equals 4. If I were to double that and say what happens if n equals 8, we're going to get closer to 1/3, or 0.3 bar.
Why is it squared?
So let's generalize this.
X squared. Gotcha.
Midpoint rule.
There we go.
That's the second.
What is XI bar?
That's the average.
Okay.
The average, you add them up and divide by 2, right? Which is what we did. Add them up, divide by 2.
X subscript is I minus 1.
X of I minus 1 plus X of I, all divided by 2. So your book uses the same notation. So we're just going to do one more thing before I let you go. Redo this problem, but n is 6.
But what?